they feel like you gonna be bigger than them, they not gonna help you. I'm letting you know right now, sometimes your family can help you. Sometimes your friends can help you. Sometimes your loved ones can help you. All you need is a little push. But the problem is...
Bent your fucking bumper, dumbass.
Compton know that I'm rap. They all know this my destiny. Haters hate from the sideline. I don't even want them next to me. I don't even want a phone call. I don't even want them texting me. I'm in this shit for the long haul. I gave you niggas a recipe. Compton know that I rap. They all know this my destiny. Haters hate from the sideline. I don't even want them next to me. I don't even want a phone call. I don't even want them texting me. I'm in this shit for the long haul. I gave you niggas a recipe. The first shit that I dropped pop. Shit knocked, I was 17 with a fat knot. I was getting green, had a Philippine with a fat cock, had shit locked. I was still in the same spot.
Man, I saw the video when you did the, what's that? Your friend has a little trust in you. He says, hey kid, why don't you go to the sound shop for me tomorrow and go take a beat to get installed. 10 seconds later, this man decides that he's gonna install his own beat. You see how you do it? See how you do me? That means he don't have the trust in this boy to go do a job, so he'll do it himself. That's messed up, brother. That's messed up.
It's not that. You know what it is?
What?
It's
You can do that shit yourself?
no, it just I'll run the wires and all that. You know what I mean?
Damn, he already did 90% of the installer's job. All we need you to do is just hook up the 212s and put them in there.
Exactly.
I got the box. Matter of fact, all I do need is a box and the wires that connects the box.
There you go.
That's gonna sound good because it's gonna stop
This shit. And he got the stocking clothes.
I don't know about it. Done, but it's getting there.
It's getting there.
It's getting there.
It's smoothing them.
Yeah, no, it's still like right here.
Yeah, that motherfucker.
Like right here. See, touch it.
Now I see what you was talking about
Like right here.
When you were saying left, you said you got to do everything by hand.
See what I mean? You know, but the good thing that once I shoot it with the black primer, you can see all the dents and shit and all that.
Yeah.
Then you work it. Thing about this bug that you can fucking go.
Yeah.
Reach on the top of it because it's low.
You know what I mean? You know, do all that.
TT. I think my TT is
So you gonna do all one color or you gonna two-tone it?
No, I'm gonna do the Herbie again. He gonna paint it pearl white. He gonna paint it.
You gonna paint the numbers on there?
We gonna get the numbers painted. Show your magic trick. In about 2.3 seconds, it's gonna be taped out, and we'll be sanding on it. Watch. Niggas get out here and work real hard and make that money for Massa. Massa said he need this field plowed by 10. No, left to right, not right to left. Okay. I'm gonna tell Massa. He told me to go get his tea. When I get his tea, I'm gonna tell him. They're everywhere. Everywhere. They out here. Showtime. Man, they out here. Look at them.
Oh yeah, we out here, baby.
They out here.
Shit, we out here.
Sections out here. Look at that. Showtime. Yeah, they out here.
Swing it in.
Pulling in clean.
Let him get in first. Yeah.
That's out the way. This for the real cars coming in. Whew, Jesus Christ. Yes, I did. You see me? I moved the fuck out the way. Get out the way, the players. Get these beautiful. Yeah, that's what you're talking about. See that? That's what we was doing when I was shooting them blogs. That's what I was talking about. God, damn, I feel bored right now. There's levels to this shit. I ain't even at the entry level. Shit, all these, there's levels to this shit. God damn. You see it? They all out here. Shit make me mind me of the 90s. Brought me back to my childhood. I used to see them clean ass cars and just always want to be out there to see them motherfuckers. Knew my pocket couldn't do it.
They're clean now.
Yeah, I think so. Got photographers shooting photos. It's everybody getting in something. Family fun for everyone. See that?
That's kind of cool, but we have to see, dog. Yeah. I love you. Let me kick it all day.
Ain't true. That's because ain't no burnouts, no takeover BS. Ain't no none of that extra that's going on. I have competition.
We got the string back left.
Well, now we have a standard, Ken.
See, you don't want to see
Now we have our bar.
Yeah, I got a bar now to see where I got to go.
Dad, now we have a bar to set.
So I can get a better angle. Uh-oh, somebody came.
Burnout. Who talked about burnout?
See, I fucked up and jinxed it. Still out here, vlogging like a mug. They still out here, you know, still taking shots, still filming, still getting their photos. Damn. All right. All right. Wow. She about to get in motion. That motherfucker clean as hell. Oh shit. This brought me back to my childhood and shit.
Yeah, bro, you can straight up be chilling back here.
Hell yeah.
I got you, Jason.
Dude, 70.
that one. Serena Williams, I need a gold medal. Jesse Owens running laps in it like I'm wearing Pro Fit. Free smoke, free smoke. Free smoke, free smoke. Free smoke, free smoke. Free smoke, free smoke. Look, big bag, we smoke. Look, big bag, need boats. Y'all shit. 40 loaded, I'm a locksmith. Looking in the fridge, we ain't got shit. In the house quick. Locksmith really was flocking. Me and with it took a case on the chin, ain't no talking, we walking. I got 21 savages. They ain't trying to see the red hots. They ain't trying to meet the red ops. 8 ball with the red dot. That's a 38 with the beam on it. Switching teams on us. Catch a nigga, let him lean on it. Playing lean on me with the big homies trying to scheme on them. Shit, I'm sliding in the plane, Jane.